Today, let's make rice noodles with beef. This is a classic dish that's served at every dim sum restaurant that you can make easily at home. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make this dish at home. You'll need some sliced beef. You'll need some soaked rice noodles, ginger, garlic, sliced onions, green onions, soy sauce, carrots, white pepper, cooking oil, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. When you go to your Asian market, you'll see all different brands of rice noodles. They're all prepared the same way. You want to soak them in some water overnight in your refrigerator and then drain them before you put them in your stir fry. Start with a clean and dry wok or non-stick skillet. Add in some cooking oil. For cooking oil, you'll want a neutral oil without any flavor. Add in your beef. When you add in your beef, you're gonna wanna stir it around. That's human nature. But what you really want is to get a nice sear and then stir it around and it won't stick to your wok. Once your beef is about halfway done, add your onions. You'll want to add your ginger and your garlic. Now add in your soaked noodles. Add in your carrots. Now stir till your noodles are soft. Add in your green onions, your soy sauce, oyster sauce, and give it a stir. Give a sprinkle of pepper and a squirt of sesame oil. And now you're ready to plate. And that's an easy way to make rice noodles with beef. In the traditional recipe, you'll use bean sprouts instead of the carrots, but who has bean sprouts lying around? So carrots will give you that little bit of sweet crunch that a bean sprout would normally do. I hope you make this recipe and leave a comment and let me know how you like it.